I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news. We're starting off with a hacker's paradise and an AI roller coaster. OpenAI's been catching heat after GPT-5 dropped with more of a fizzle than a bang. Users were expecting groundbreaking upgrades and instead got some quirky personalities and hallucinating bots. But CEO Sam Altman just confirmed a large update is rolling out to fix those pesky issues. And paid users, you're getting double the rate limits. So hey, more AI chats, hopefully less AI confusion. Now, if you're a developer or just someone who opens sketchy email attachments, watch your step. The WinRAR zero-day vulnerability is back in the spotlight. Romcom hackers exploited a flaw to install malware via phishing, and while it's been patched, it's a fresh reminder that even file zips can unzip your entire digital life. Always update. And speaking of breaches, the U.S. federal judiciary has confirmed a cyber attack that compromised its electronic record system. We're talking court documents, confidential, sealed, and now possibly exposed. Investigators are tightening up cyber protections, but wow, no one's safe from this digital arms race. And here's a big one. Nearly 870,000 people tied to Columbia University just had their personal, financial, and even health data exposed thanks to an attack that happened back in May, a lesson in delayed disaster. Hackers move fast, but institutions? Not always. Before we go deeper, let me drop something you're definitely going to want in your cyber toolkit, the Ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusbs.com. This thing is jam-packed, 13 categories, 50 bootable environments, everything from penetration testing and forensics to dark web browsing, system recovery, and even retro gaming. It's the Swiss Army knife of tech. Check the link in the description. Seriously, don't wait. Now back to the battlefield. There's a massive surge in leaked credentials, as we're talking up 160% from last year, and they were a factor in 22% of all data breaches in 2024. Most of these are being resold, reused, and injected into automation tools. Credential hygiene isn't optional anymore. Change those passwords, people. And over on the code hosting front, RubyGems and PyPI are both under fire after attackers slipped malware into legit-seeming packages. These packages were stealing credentials, crypto, and even developer tokens. Platform admins are now rolling out stricter security rules. Devs, keep your dependencies locked down and double-check what you're installing. Meanwhile, in Brazil, AI-generated phishing emails are mimicking official agencies with spooky accuracy. It's not just your grandma getting duped. These scams are also snatching crypto through the Ephemer Trojan, which already hit 5,000 wallets. Modern scams come with machine learning and malware menageries. Be alert. Microsoft's also making moves. They're phasing out insecure FPRPC protocols in Microsoft 365 apps by default, starting late August, a much-needed blow to legacy leaky pipes. And if you use the Microsoft Lens PDF scanner app on mobile, heads up, it's getting axed come September next year. And cyber gangs aren't letting up. Royal and Black Suit ransomware crews reportedly hit over 450 U.S. companies before Homeland Security dismantled their infrastructure. That wave might be over, but you can bet new ones are forming. Finally, in crypto drama, a hacker collective called Greedy Bear just pulled off $1 million theft using over 150 malicious Firefox wallet extensions. That's not a typo. Browser extensions. Carefully vet what you install, or that convenient wallet plug-in might just be draining you dry. That's all for today's electrifying blend of AI highs and security horror stories. Chip Sparks, signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.